everybody, I'm That Samantha and welcome back to my channel. Last time we were here, we opened up Queen Bee, who's still looking absolutely beautiful. Today, we will be opening up Queen Bee's sister, Lady Diva. Here is the Lady Diva LOL Surprise OMG fashion doll with her sister Queen Bee on the side, waiting patiently for her to make an appearance. So let's open this up. Just like before, this has 20 plus surprises. Oh, I'm so excited. Look how beautiful she looks already. Oh, that's right. I've got to remove some packaging. Right out of the box, here is what she looks like. Her hair is pretty soft except for the ends. The ends seem to have some kind of, I don't know, maybe it feels like hairspray to me, if I had to guess. So it's a little tougher than the rest of it. Diva, she came with a stand that goes together. And again, I'm not really sure what this is for. I'm assuming accessories, such as the pink brush that it came with. Now that toughness on the bottom, I don't know why it's there. We have our first bag. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, we got a handbag. This is cute. Now to open up the accessories. We will start by pulling this out. And let me get everything off. As I said, she is an Aries. Get out on that stage and sing your heart out, because today your performances will be fire. March 21st to April 19th. So close to being a Taurus. I'm a Taurus, so I would have liked to see that. Starting with outfit number 1. Let's see what we've got. Oh, a cute little skirt. That took a little bit of a tug, but we got it on and it looks super cute. And in the second bag, oh cute, we've got a fuzzy jacket. Here we are so far. She's looking gorgeous. Now I guess we've got to find some accessories to put on her, and maybe some shoes. In this first gray box are her shoe. I did not expect that. I know the picture up front kind of shows you what she looks like, but I don't think I looked very closely at the shoes. Wow. Shoes on. These were a nightmare to put on, and I'm a little sad that they don't close fully from the back, but they still look pretty cool. And the last thing we have is this pink container, which is, oh, looks like we've got some accessories. We have a headset to put on her, a necklace, some earrings, can't forget the earrings, and I think these are a different set of earrings, or I'm gonna have to find where these go. And there you have it, all fully dressed and accessorized with her long, beautiful hair. And this was a necklace, by the way, which came with an extra necklace that I just put into her purse. What do you guys think? And before I forget, Lady Diva also has her own mirror to check herself out. Looking gorgeous. And the sisters are together at last. They are both absolutely stunning. I'm excited to see if I can find the other ones because I'd love to add to this collection. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Both these dolls are absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have to look up to see if I can find the rest of the collection because I absolutely adore them. Next time we're here, we've got some dissecting to do and we'll see what we find. See you guys then. Bye!